to make a Snapchat shortcut in 2021. Others I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to know that when you create so if you want to send a snap to a certain amount of people, but you can't send to all the people that you want, but so you can do this by this way. So what you have to do is you have to take a snap. Let's say I take this snap, and then you have to click on the send to in the bottom right corner. When you click on this, then you can see the search bar in the top. So when you click on the search bar, then you can see the in the uh, uh, the search bar you can see the create shortcut. When you click on the create shortcut, then you have to click on the OK, and then you can choose all the people that you want to send a snap. So you have to send the choose all the people, and in the top you can see the choose emoji. So you have to click on the choose emoji, and then you can choose any emoji in your from your keyboard. And let's see, I choose this emoji, and then you have to go back, and then you have to click on the create shortcut. When you click on the create shortcut, and here you can see the shortcut is created. So what you have to do to send the Snapchat send by the Snapchat shortcut is you have to click on this emoji, and when you click on this in emoji, then you can choose all these persons. And then when you choose all this person, then you have to click on the send button, and then you can easily send the this a snap to all these persons. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.